Show me. Very nice. Very pretty.
Can you see them?
Yes. It's very lovely. It's a double bookmark or what? A pink and
this
a
is
yellow.
Papa Cola.
What
No,
is
ma'am,
it
this
made
is
of?
one bookmark only.
What is it made of?
I'll just,
Paper?
ma'am, it's size paper, ma'am. Small
It's
paper.
made of a paper.
Ma'am, what is meaning of interleave?
Interleaf. Interleaf means it is used for your science notebooks, in which one side of the notebook is plain and the other side is with lines, with single line. And it is for drawing diagrams, pasting things, and all.
I have
Okay.
that book.
We are already 21. Let's start the session. Good morning, everyone. Once again. How many of you know me? Some of you know me, right? We were in Kanak ma'am's class. Right? Okay.
You teach us SST.
You are the SST, ma'am.
Yes, I was your SST teacher. So right now I am your...
I know you, but you never teach me. I know you, but you never.
Hi Anand, how are you? Long time no see.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, I have talked. My father in PDM. My father has also talked to Jyoti, ma'am. So, after that, I have started online class.
Okay, so this time you're starting. No, sit a little far from your device. Move back. All of you, I want you to sit far from your devices, from your laptop, from your phone.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rudra.
can I say one thing? MC, I
Yeah.
made a working bed.
Very nice. Where all are you making all this? Are you making this in your craft class?
No, ma'am, I know this. Ma'am, at our home we are making this.
Okay. Yes, Ayansh, you have to say something?
Oh, ma'am, I'm just telling that we are making it.
You're making it on your own, all of you.
Yeah, ma'am, at our home.
Hi, Farzan.
Good morning, Catherine, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine.
Welcome back to my class. I know you're not happy seeing me. I know, I know. I know who all are happy to see me and who all are not. So your brother is in this class, Farzan? Or he's in the other one?
He's in 5th week.
Oh,
Ma'am,
class teacher
you
of that.
were our class teacher for 1 month. Then Swati ma'am came.
What?
Yes.
What Prisha?
In 4th, you were our class teacher for 1 month. Then Swati ma'am came.
Yes, yes, you're right. This time I'm the class teacher of grade 5B. And grade 5A, I'll be teaching the subject English only to you all, okay?
Ma'am,
So, yes, Rudra.
can I show one last?
Yeah, tell me. Okay,
Ma'am,
first of all,
one
one sec. First of all, some rules to be followed in my class. Behave yourselves. When one person is talking, please don't interrupt the teacher and the conversation between the other student. I know that when two people are talking, you can also hear, no? Whatever I can hear, you can also hear. So wait for that person to finish, wait for the teacher to finish talking with that person, and then come and wait for your turn. Please raise your hands. We have a raise a hand button on your screens. And for all those who have their hands raised, I will ask the questions. Yes, I have Vihan Patel asking me a question. Yeah, Vihan.
Ma'am, I was asking that. So, ma'am, in English there are the textbook also and grammar also. So, ma'am, we will do the both on one day or separate.
I will tell you that. Rudra, you have to say something. I will come to that question, Vihan.
thing. And to show one thing.
Yeah, show me.
Ma'am, I have made a rocket from a snake cube.
I know that snake cube. Yeah. I know.
Ma'am, I
Okay,
can
one.
make a heart into duck and a duck into cobra.
Very good. Very good. 1 minute, okay? I'll just take your attendance and then we'll start the session. Okay, so all of us know that we have two books for English. One is your Marigold, which is called the literature book, and the other one is your Viva English Grammar, which is your grammar book. Okay, the books are going to remain the same, only it's been upgraded according to your classes. So earlier you were reading grade 4 books under the same publications. Now we are going to read grade. Stop typing in the chat box. We are not here to have a chit chat. Grade 5, the grammar book publication is going to remain the same, which is Viva, and it is again your grade 5 grammar book. So Marigold is going to be called the literature book. What is going to be called? The literature book. And literature book, which means we will be reading poems, we'll be reading chapters, we'll be reading stories. And the grammar book is going to be called the language book. Why is it called the language book? Because we learn how to speak by using the parts of speech that we have there, right? So that's why it's called a language book. Secondly, the notebooks. I want you to make just one notebook. Okay, I just want you to make one notebook for both the books. I want you to divide it into 2 parts. If the need arises, we will divide it into 2 parts. The same book into 2 parts. The first part will be of literature, which is going to be Marigold, and the second half is going to be for language, which is going to be for creative writing. For example, if we do any grammar exercises in the notebook, then you have to write it in the second part of the book.
Ma'am, can you send the spelling of the both in the chat box?
Of what?
That literature and that.
I'll do that. So secondly, creative writing topics are going to be written in the language portion of the book. Are we clear on this, everyone? We are 23 right now. Yeah. Who has a question?
Ma'am, Rudra.
Yeah, Rudra, tell me.
Ma'am, from how will we know that both sides are equal when we divide?
Won't you number your notebook for index?
In which?
Won't you number your notebook for writing it in the index? So if it is a 180-page notebook, what will be the half? 90. Right? And yes, Anand has a question.
Yes, ma'am. I don't have much notebooks, ma'am. I don't have school notebooks, so ma'am, I have only one notebook. So I was doing before in grade 4. I was doing tuition. So ma'am, I have only one book. So ma'am, I can continue.
Riddhi Goyal. What was this? Anand, have you not purchased the stationery from school?
Ma'am, I have only purchased the books, the text. I have only purchased the textbook of the schools.
Okay, no problem. But you need to maintain separate books now for all the subjects. Because, why I'll tell you. Because the school may open anytime, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will you do once the school opens? Well, who will you give the notebook for checking, to me or Deepika ma'am or Renu ma'am? We all teachers will keep fighting. Give me Anand's book. Give me Anand's book because he's written in the same notebook, right?
Ma'am,
So get some books from outside. That's not a problem. Get some books from outside. It's not necessary you buy that. And
okay, ma'am.
keep one notebook for English only. Don't make two notebooks. One notebook divided into half. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Anvi, what's your question?
Ma'am, for fifth B, who is the class teacher?
Fifth B. Deepika ma'am. She took your
Okay.
orientation or fifth B.
Yes.
Me.
Ma'am,
A.
I
Deepika
am the
ma'am.
class teacher for grade 5B.
Okay.
And Deepika ma'am is for grade 5A.
But you are, remember, in you were first in fourth A.
So I will remain there only. I was in 4th A, then I was in 3rd A last year, and now I am in 5B. It keeps changing every year, okay? You don't be bothered about that. Let principal sir take care of that, okay? Okay. Then, yes, Reba, what's your question quickly?
Yeah, ma'am, I didn't check that I was in fifth B. So I am just doing the classes of fifth A. So it is okay, or I have to do in the fifth B only?
Ma'am,
One sec, one sec. Which class are you in?
I am in fifth B, but I didn't check it. So I am in now fifth A. So
How do you know you're in 5th B?
I check in my that TBS
No, no,
application.
no. Wait, wait, wait. There's some confusion there. Don't refer to the TVS app right now. There's some glitch there. Go to the classroom which have been assigned to you. So if you are under 5A classroom, then that is only your class.
Yeah, it is written fifth A only. I have fifth A only.
Hmm.
So
You will attend all the classes in 5th A only. Okay. And follow the timetable of 5th A only. Okay. Okay. Then I hope you know, all of you, that the pattern that I follow will be in the textbook, the literature book, Marigold, we have chapters unit wise, right? We have chapters unit wise. So in a month, I'll be going monthly. So in a month, I'll be covering one unit only. All right. I'll be covering how many units in a month? Only one unit a month, and about 3 chapters of grammar in a month. Okay. So one unit means 2 chapters of literature and 3 or 4 chapters, depending on the how vast the chapter is. We will decide 3 to 4 chapters of grammar in a month. Got it, all of you? So once we finish the first unit, then automatically we will start with the grammar book. So I will not give you a timetable every day. Today be ready with your reader book. Today be ready with your grammar book. Okay, just understand that till the time we don't complete 2 chapters of Marigold, we are not shifting to grammar. Okay. Secondly, how have you been sending your assignments in the class? Through
ma'am,
mails.
by
No,
turns
ma'am,
only.
by classroom.
Okay. All those who have been sending the assignments through mails will stop doing it from today. And this goes for all the subjects. Okay. I don't want any assignments in the mail. Nobody will send me pictures in the mail that I have finished my work. Suppose I give you word meanings and question answers to be written in the notebook for literature. You finish it, you click pictures, and you send it to me on Gmail. No, I don't want on Gmail. I want it only in the classroom. I'll be posting assignments. You will go to that assignments, you will attach your pictures in the assignment section and turn in. I will check your pictures, your work there only. I will check the spelling mistakes. I will post comments there only. Yes. Who has a question? Vivan, tell me.
Ma'am, if I can't do turning in classroom, so
Why? Reason?
that means I'm just saying.
No. You don't have an option. This year, you don't have an option. If you're turning in the assignments, you'll get good grades. If you're not turning in the assignments, you'll get an E grade. Simple. Okay. So you have to turn in the assignments only in the classroom. If I fail to get the assignments on time, everybody's going to get an E grade. Please don't turn them late. Also, an important thing to remember is follow the deadlines. So suppose I'm sending an assignment, say on Friday, I'll give you 2 days time to complete it. I would not want it urgently, okay? Give it to me in the evening. No, I will give you 2 days time to complete it. And I think 2 days is enough to write 2 pages of the notebook, right? 2 to 3 pages of English. So if you submit it on time, you will get good grades. If you don't submit it on time, it will show me under your names, done late. If you don't submit it at all, it will show me missing. Okay, and when you submit it done late, it will also show me the time and the number of days you're late. For example, you're 2 days late, so it will show me submitted 2 days late. Okay, so that's how we are going to grade you. The more late you submit your work, the more worse grades you will get. So don't do that. Submit it on time. Now, how many of you have seen your report cards? Only 4 to 5 children have seen.
I have seen.
What did you see in your report card? Did you notice? Did you notice that it has 4 sections? English and Hindi had 4 sections: listening, speaking, writing, and reading. Yeah. So what does it mean? How are we going to
Listening means how
judge
well you
you?
listen. Speaking means how well you speak. And writing means how well and how nicely you write.
Okay. Now my definition is a little different. In listening, we will, you all know we have reading slots, right? Reading slots, right? We used to have reading slots in which you people were divided into groups, and you used to go one day in English, one day in Gujarati, one day in Hindi and all, right? So we are going to follow the same pattern, but from Monday onwards. Okay. Man Prajodia, switch off your mic. Otherwise, it will not take me even a second to remove you. And don't try that in my class again. Monday onwards, we are going to have reading slots, not today and tomorrow. Please remember, don't log in into your reading slots today and tomorrow. We don't have a reading class. Monday onwards, everything will fall into place. I'll be sending you the groups which you will be in, and the days, as in which day you have to go to which class. Anand, please sit a little back. Please sit a little back. Yes, man, I want your camera on all the time. Please switch it on.
Ma'am, tomorrow is holiday.
Why? What is tomorrow? What is tomorrow?
Ma'am, Good Friday.
So it's a Good Friday, no? So we should study. Why should we want a holiday? It's a Good Friday. It's not a bad Friday that we should keep a holiday.
Ma'am, because every grade we had a holiday in Good Friday.
No, we never had a holiday on Good Friday. We were always working. It's just that now that you people are sitting at home, you people are watching the calendar very nicely, and you realize that Good Friday is a holiday. No, we've been working on every Good Friday. Yes, Vivan.
Ma'am, right now is it first Saturday it will be holiday, and then another Saturday it will be working day only.
Alternate days, yeah. Alternate Saturdays. So first and third Saturday will be holidays, and third and fourth will be working. The Saturday timetable has already been sent to you in the classroom. Okay, we were talking about LSRW. Rudra, switch off your mic. listening, reading slots. I was talking about reading slots. All these exercises. Man, sit properly. All these exercises for listening, reading, writing, and speaking will be done in those slots only. So if you miss those slots, you'll be marked D and E. Okay, I don't have a problem. Less the children, more convenient for me to take the class. But your grades will fall down in the report card. So I'll be conducting listening exercises in the reading slots. I'll be conducting speaking exercises in which I'll be giving you topics to prepare, story narration, recitation, and I will see how well you deliver those, how creative you are in delivering those topics. So you will be judged and observed on that. I hope you all know that you don't have exams, assessments till grade 5. So these are basically the criterias on which we are going to grade you. Got it? Got it, all of you? So please, all those who miss their sessions, all these reading slot sessions will miss their. So we are going to work as, how many weeks are there in a month? 4. Right? And how many criterias we have for English listening? LSRW. What is it called? LSRW.
Reading and writing.
Reading and writing.
Speaking and writing.
LSRW, L for listening, S for speaking, R for reading, W for writing. So every week we will have one session. So first week, Monday to Saturday or till Friday, we will have listening for all the children. For second week, we will have what? Speaking. Third week, we will have reading. And fourth week, we will have writing. Okay. This is the way I'm going to conduct the LSRW sessions, and attending those sessions, participating in those sessions actively will help you improve your what? English and your grades. And your grades.
Educate. It will educate us.
It'll boost your confidence. You'll become more confident while talking to others. It'll help you improve your speaking skills, right? So please make sure that you attend all those sessions. Yes, Anand, what's your question?
And it will, ma'am, our writing will also be good, and our speaking in English will also very good.
Improve, yes. Now, writing doesn't mean that I will, okay. Anyone wants to go for washroom or drinking water, please don't ask for permission. Please simply go and come back in 20 seconds. Okay? The washroom is not in the next house, no? It is in your house only. Yeah? So quickly go and come back. Don't ask me or the teacher who is teaching at that time. Okay? Maybe sometimes we miss out reading in the chat that somebody has asked, so you keep waiting. So quickly go and come back, not a problem. Okay, you'll not miss much. The washroom is in the next room, or maybe in just 10 steps away at your house, right? Okay, so LSRW sessions are clear. I'm going to mark you on all the sessions. Okay, so take care that you don't miss out any sessions. We will be posting the reading slot list group wise in the class. Latest by Sunday I will post. So Monday onwards, you people will start attending the sessions regularly for your English, Hindi and Gujarati. Every language is important. Okay, every language is important. Please don't miss any of these sessions. We'll also be posting the names of children who are going to go for the reading slots a day prior. So if it is your turn, group 3 turn tomorrow, I will be posting it today in the class. That group 3 children, these are the names. Please be ready for your English class tomorrow. And similarly, your Hindi teacher, your Gujarati teacher will post. Now you have to keep in mind that all of us, now you have only one class this time, right? You have only one class, no? For English, for maths, for Hindi, for EVS. You're just sitting in one class, which is 5. What? A. So all the teachers will post in the same class. So if I have a reading slot with group 1, I will post in the same class. If Alka ma'am has a reading slot with group 2, she will also post in the same class. If group 3 has Gujarati, she will also post in the same class. So what you have to do? Please read it carefully. Which teacher is posting? Okay. Is it Catherine ma'am posting? Is it Alka ma'am posting? Or is it Ekta ma'am posting my name? Got it, all of you? So in a day, most probably you'll be getting 3 lists posted in the class. Same goes for your assignments, for your homework, for your worksheets. All the teachers are going to post in the same class. Got it? All the teachers are going to post in the same class. So you have to be careful where to look up for that information. Where will you look? Is it going to be on the stream or in the classwork?
Ma'am, stream. Classwork.
Classwork. No. Wait. Classwork. It is going to be in the classwork. When you open your classroom, what do you see on top? Stream, classwork, people, grades. Yeah? So you will not go to class. You will see a notification there also. But when you want to open it, you go to your classwork and turn in the assignments. Got it, all of you? Where do you have to go to turn in the assignments? In the classwork section. Now, who has a question?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I don't have in that turning in. Ma'am, ma'am, I have written like this on page that it is for English literature and for English grammar.
It's okay.
It's correct,
Good.
ma'am?
Yeah. English literature and English language. Grammar is language.
Ma'am, for English grammar, what we have to write?
What, Vicha? For English grammar?
What we have to write that in the marigold we have written?
For English grammar, we will write creative writing topics. For example, if I'm telling you to write a paragraph on a particular topic, where will you write? You will write it in your language notebook, in your grammar notebook, in the second part of your notebook. We're going to divide it, no? We're going to divide it into 2 parts. So literature work you're going to do in the first part, language work you're going to do in the second part. I will tell you in the mail also. This is to be written in the language part. This is to be written in the literature part. You don't mess up reading. Okay? Read it carefully. Anyone has any questions, please ask. We have
Ma'am,
7.
also wants to talk to you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Tell me.
No,
हेलो मैम.
Yes, ma'am. बताइए.
अरे वो जो आपने वो मंडे वो फ्राइडे तक वो भेजा है वो रीडिंग के लिए, वो आपका ही नेम लिखा हुआ है, तो वो मंडे से फ्राइडे तक आप ही रीडिंग कराओगे?
नहीं मैम, वो तो अभी फिलहाल ही लिखा है. हम संडे तक आपको भेज देंगे कि बच्चों को कौन से डे को कौन से ग्रुप में जाना है, पर टाइम सेम रहेगा.
ओके और सब सब्जेक्ट की आएगी ना वो रीडिंग?
हाँ, तीनों सब्जेक्ट की आएगी, इंग्लिश, हिंदी एंड गुजराती.
ओके, थैंक यू मैम.
Welcome. Yes, Vivan, why have you raised your hand?
Nothing, ma'am.
Very good. Please don't raise your hands without a reason. It wastes my time. Anvi, see, everybody's doing it down now. Okay, any questions you want to ask?
No, I don't have doubt.
Ayansh, what? You don't have a doubt? You don't have a doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Devyosha, any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Riddhi?
No, ma'am.
Anant? I want to ask you. Manrajor, please repeat whatever I said in the class today.
Ma'am, that you
Important points. Please listen carefully to Man.
Ma'am, you have told that reading slot will be posted at Sunday. that and everything in 1 month we have in 1 month we will cover one chapter in Marigold and 3 units in English grammar.
Ma'am,
And no, when he's talking, I am talking, you will keep quiet. Yes, man. Then
And
what else?
then you have tell in uh,
How many notebooks to be made?
ma'am two ma'am
Only
of,
two. Okay,
of English and one grammar
very good. And
and 2 textbooks of Marigold and grammar.
okay, please correct yourself. 2 textbooks, but 1 notebook. Divided into 2. So if you're using a 180-page notebook, it has to be divided into 90 pages for literature, 90 pages for language.
Ma'am, for half or page, we have to do grammar and 90 page we have to do English. Means we can turn it into pink page.
Yeah.
Ma'am, he forgot one thing.
Yeah, what, Prisha?
He forgot in 1 month we'll do 4 things: reading, writing, listening, and speaking.
And one more thing.
Yeah, what?
Then tomorrow there will be no reading.
Very good. So don't log in into the reading class and wait for the teacher and start posting comments. Ma'am, where are you? Where are you? We are waiting. Okay.
And tomorrow
So
on Good
today-
Friday there is a class.
No reading slot is not there, but otherwise the classes are there. Follow the timetable. Tomorrow onwards, we'll start with the Marigold book. So please be ready with it when you come for the class. Another important thing. You have to write with a pen in the notebook and with a pencil in the textbooks. So be it your Marigold book or your Viva, write with a pencil. All the textbook exercises to be written with a pencil, and all the notebook work to be written with a pen, a gel pen, or whatever pen you want to use. Yeah, Vivan.
Can you write with colorful pens?
Why? Is it a craft book? Why will you use colorful pens in English? No, only blue pens.
Ma'am, because
Ma'am, only blue pens.
can we use black pens? That's why.
I think Vivan is already talking and I am listening to him. What did I say? Please behave yourselves. It'll make our life easy. Yes, Vivan, continue. What were you saying? Swati ma'am said.
Then I was saying Swati ma'am said that write if you can write with colorful pens.
No, Swati ma'am gone, no? Swati ma'am went gone. Now Catherine ma'am is here. Please follow what Catherine ma'am says.
Ma'am,
Start fresh. Yes.
ma'am, you can use black pen.
Yeah. You can use black pen for question, blue pen for answer. No problem.
Blue pen for answers.
If you don't use it, that's also perfectly fine. I have no issues. Okay? Write everything with blue. And no Gmails for sending me the work. I am repeating it again and again. If I give you E in the grades and then you tell me, ma'am, I had sent you Gmail. Why have you given me E grade? I will not check Gmail. Sorry. Please learn. Ma'am will send a video. Ma'am will send you a video.
Send the video.
Okay. So please watch that and learn how to turn in your assignments properly. Okay? And don't send me assignments without the pictures. Pictures should be there inside. Don't just simply turn in. Don't try to act smart. Bye everyone. See you tomorrow.
We can bring the black pen. Ma'am, I say you the figures of
One sec. Risha is talking to me. Yes.
Ma'am, may I tell you the figures of speech?
Wait. Someone has some better questions. Yeah, who has a question here? Ayansh, you had a question?
Ma'am.
Ayansh,
Yeah, ma'am.
yeah, do you have a question?
Yeah, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, in notebook, which pen we have to write? Black or question with
Blue.
which pen?
Question. If you want, there is no compulsion. If you want, you can write the question with a black pen and the answer with a blue pen. But if you want to write both with the blue pen, I am absolutely fine with that too. Okay?
Ma'am,
Okay, that's what?
can we write with ball pen?
Yeah, you can write. Okay, children, we're done with the session. Deepika ma'am is already there for the next class. Bye-bye.
Catherine ma'am.
Yes,
Catherine ma'am, may I
yes,
see the
man.
figures of speech?
Yes, man.
Catherine ma'am, we can use black pen place. We can use a red.
Are you a
Or
teacher,
black or-
man? Are you a teacher?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Prisha.
Alliteration,
Tell me.
personification, hyperbole, simile, onomatopoeia. Then there is I remember 5 only.
So you get those for me tomorrow. First thing we'll do. Okay?
Yeah.
No one will leave the class. Stay here only. Deepika ma'am is already there for the class. Okay? Bye-bye, all of you. See you tomorrow. Be ready with your books tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Ma'am.
Bye.
All right. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
There's a surprise. Or a shock, I should say. Not even surprise. Actually, it's a shock. That morning there were 24. Now there are 14. 10 have already disappeared. So,
Ma'am, they didn't know there was now HRM class. They thought there is reading class, so we have a break. So let us go.
but in the morning, I told you in the orientation, I send it in the classroom that today it's not going to be the reading class. There will be directly the HRM. Still disappeared. All right, we have a new friend. Let's meet her. You all can see a new child in the class.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. No child in the class.
So now only she will talk. We have two. I can only see one.
I can see
Ma'am,
3.
no,
It's on the people column in the classroom.
No,
Ma'am,
right
one-
now it's only one. No, right now it's only Vidisha.
Yeah.
Right now we have Vidisha with us. So right now Vidisha will be speaking something about herself and then we will talk with her. All right. So first, Vidisha, welcome to the Tapti Valley International School. Your first day morning. It was in the presentation, so could not talk to you. But now we have time. So please tell us something about you.
My name is Vidisha. I study in 5th. My brother name is Dharma. My father name is Jagdish Bhai. My mother name is Alpa Ben.
Tell us something about your old school. You're still going, no, there? Your exams are left, no?
No, ma'am.
Done?
No.
बाकी है ना अभी एग्जाम्स वहां पे
Yes.
हाँ प्लीज टेल अस अबाउट योर ओल्ड स्कूल
My old school name is Gazera Vidya Bhavan, Katargam, English medium.
Okay.
I studied there 4th standard.
And now you have still to give the exam for grade 4, no? There. That is
Yes.
left. Okay. So tell us one thing. What is different in Gajera and what is the difference in Gajera and Tapti Valley? Okay. Offline तो हम मिले नहीं है, पर online में what you must be having online classes in Gajera also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what is the difference? कुछ तो अलग होगा ना वहाँ पे और यहाँ पे? What is the difference?
Online time of Gajera is 3:15 to 4:20 and here is 9:30 to 12:50.
Okay. So only 3:15 to 4:30, only 1 hour.
Yes.
Okay. So children see the difference. There are only 1 hour online classes and everything was taught in there in 1 hour. Here we are sitting since morning, and still when we come in the last class, 10 children have run away already. Already they have disappeared from the class on the first day. Forget, अभी तो पढ़ाई भी पूरा start नहीं हुआ. First period was orientation. One period you had art. One you got art. एक period orientation में गया, एक period art में गया. There was only one English in the between, I think. And math. Only 2 periods, and English and math. What was done in English?
In maths, we did recap, and in English, we talked about the orientation and everything, what we have to do. And in art also the same.
Same. And still 9 children have thought, छोड़ो ना, लास्ट के 10 मिनट क्या मैम से बात करना, सुबह तो इतना सारा बात करके गए, फिर से बातें करेंगे आके, है ना? So they have run away. So tell your friends, I know you all are talking after the school also. Tell them, I will get the attendance. I have the attendance of morning. I will take the attendance of this also. So I know how many have run away. I have the record. Okay, one very important instruction I will repeat. I am not very fond of. If there are 2 choices, no, that I want to see your face as a cartoon or your face as your face, then I will want to see your face as your face and not as a cartoon, not as an Avenger, not as Thanos, not as the Frozen girl, not as Cinderella. So after today's class,
Not as a game. Can it be a family photo?
Not as a game poster.
yes, it should be your picture. If it is with your family, it's okay, but it should be you. You all are more beautiful than Thanos and Hulk. So please consider yourself more beautiful than any other fictional character. I can see Vivan has his own picture. Prisha was having family picture. Jahan, I don't know what character. Parnika is having her own. Kahan, white. अपना picture लगा देना बेटा. Ayansh, very good. Riva, very good. Others.
Ma'am, I don't know how to change only.
You don't know how to change? All right, I'll teach you that in the class. All right, let me see if I can do it right now. We only have 3 minutes. All right, tomorrow I'll teach you in the HRM. Tomorrow I'll teach you in the HRM, but tomorrow is Friday, no? Tomorrow we have HRM. So all those who are not knowing how to do this, tomorrow I'll present you. तो आप अपना picture select करके रख लेना in the desktop. Desktop पे save कर लेना अपना जो भी picture
And we can do it from mobile, right?
I have not done it from mobile, but I think it's easy from mobile also. I'll do it today in my
I have done from laptop. I couldn't do it from mobile.
Yes,
So from mobile, I will have to see how I have to do it. But from the laptop, I will help you. I will do it for you.
Laptop and mobile, it's same only.
Okay, it's same. Yes, Rudra. Yes, Rudra.
Ma'am, our sports class will be at what time?
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock to?
Wait.
4:40.
4 o'clock to 4:40.
And in which class? Activities or 5A?
Activity.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
but today
we have sports or not?
Wait. One at a time. God has not made me that powerful.
Ma'am, today
We have sports class or not?
Why not? From today, everything has started.
ma'am, you said in the orientation that half people will invest.
That will be offline, beta. That will be offline. See, I have told that chess and the Western music will be compulsory when you come to school. When you come to school at that time, one half of the group will be going in chess and the other half will be going for Western music. But right now, Western music is optional for you all. But when the school will open offline, there will be meet in Tapti Valley. At that time, it will be compulsory for you. Okay, wait, let me tell you the sports timing. I have opened the presentation again. So that
Ma'am,
your
activity is there. Today, which activity is there?
for sports. Today it will be introduction only and probably they'll do some warming up exercises with you. Yes, Vidisha, you read out. Okay, my presentation is loading yet. So let it get loaded. Yes.
but I have online on Gajera, then I
No, no,
cannot
no,
attend
that's okay.
sport
No,
activity.
that's okay, Vidisha. You have a class at Gajera, so your grade 4 completion is also necessary. So it's okay if you do not attend the sports class because your exam also is there, no? So that's okay because you already had a word during the PTM. So that's not a problem at all. Okay, wait, let me confirm for others. Yes, 4 p.m. to 4:40 will be your physical activity in the activity room. 4 o'clock to 4 p.m. All right. Okay. So now we meet tomorrow. Tomorrow in the HRM, I'll teach
4
you how
p.m.
to.
to 4:40.
Yes, 4 p.m. to 4. All right. Bye. See you all tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. See you tomorrow.
Bye. 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 See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye.
You tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Show you something. Ma'am, I want to just show you something.
Yes.
Ma'am,